Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start speaking into Word within seconds. First, open the Home tab and click Dictate. You must be signed into Office 365. Once done, allow microphone access in your OS and choose the active input device so Word hears you clearly. Make sure the dictation language matches your accent to reduce recognition errors. Do a quick one-sentence test to check levels and background noise. If you can pause and still see words appear, you're ready to proceed. Now you'll move into controlling content by voice. Speak punctuation and formatting words like comma or new line. That tells Word how to structure sentences. Use concise commands such as select line, delete that, or undo to edit without touching the keyboard, and pause briefly after commands so recognition won't merge them with dictation. If you need multiple languages or long recordings, try transcribe in Word for uploaded audio. Then edit the transcript inline. You're almost done. Now finalize the document. Read the text aloud or use read aloud to hear pacing and catch misrecognized words, then run spell check and make manual edits where context failed. Save to OneDrive for version history and export to docx or PDF when finished. If you hit problems, make sure to restart Word, verify microphone drivers and OS permissions, and toggle dictate off and on. This simple reset often restores speech recognition functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.